Here is my basement gray water system. First component here is a multi-stage filter. There are actual multi-stage filter in here, similar to a pond filter. So the intake for the water comes in here from my plumbing system, goes through the filter system. There's a pump inside here, which then the water goes up through a UV filter and then into a 65-gallon storage tank. In the 65-gallon storage tank, I've got an overflow valve here. This overflow valve, so when the tank fills, if it follows all the way back down and it drains back down. This is also an overflow for the filter system too as well, in case it were to get clogged. It goes back down to the sewer system. So these bottom pipes are the drains out. In the back, it's hard to see, but in the back you'll see some piping coming in, some standard PVC pipe. In there, that PVC pipe actually supplies fresh water to the tank. So in the event that the tank actually goes below a certain amount, there's a float valve in there and it'll supply fresh water so that the pump doesn't go dry. Down lower is the actual pump. It's a Walrus pump, TQ800. Nice thing about this pump is it actually will do line pressure for you automatically. It has an automatic sensor in it, so it will shut on, it'll come on and shut off automatically depending on the pressure in the line. So when I turn on a sprinkler system or need water, it'll turn on, the pump will come on and keep that pressure up, and then once it's off, the pressure will come down and the pump will shut off automatically. In line here is a screen filter. This is a special screen filter that can take high pressure side. A lot of the screen filters you get at Home Depot cannot handle the pressure, regular line pressure, and they have to be behind a pressure regulator to step down the pressure. This one is built specifically to handle normal pressure. You'll see a couple valves on here. This is just a drain valve. There's another valve on the bottom to shut off where I need to clean the screen filter. Again, it's a standard screen filter. You pull the screen filter out, you have to rinse it. The maintenance I have, probably about every 2 weeks, I have to rinse the screen filter, and then the large filter system up top has to be changed. Or actually doesn't be changed, it actually needs to be cleaned out, and you basically just rinse the filter stages, and there's 8 filters inside that. That is an Aqua to Use, specifically for gray water. They've kind of modified their standard pond filter and made it specifically for gray water. Then down low at the bottom of the tank is the supply for the actual gray water, which then connects to the pump and pumps in. So that is my gray water system. This is hooked to irrigation on the outside of the house. It uses standard drip irrigation. It has a standard drip irrigation, standard sprinkler valves, and a standard sprinkler timer that I use with this system.